Hi everybody, I'm with Michelle. I'm at work. We are about to try 100% chocolate. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. It smells already. This is from the Dominican Republic.
100%.
100%.
Foolproof, man.
Oh my God, I've never tried 100 cacao teca.
Cacao. Okay.
I've never tried 100% chocolate.
Me either.
100% dark. Ooh.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my
Just
God.
gonna have a little piece.
Oh yeah. Actually, you know what? You tell me how it is.
Okay.
You
ready?
go first. Bitter?
Yeah, but
Not bad.
not bad. It's like, taking a spoon of like real cocoa and putting it in your mouth.
Oh
It's
no.
so dry.
Michelle says it's like taking a spoon of real cocoa and putting it in your mouth.
It's not bad. Look, it's not bad.
No.
Here.
And granted, I feel like that's not even the most bitter because they're using sugarcane, right?
Yes.
Michelle, no.
Real, natural, 100% cocoa, pure cocoa. Not bad, but that's all I can do.
Yeah, no. Thank you. I appreciate it. But
But pass.
yeah, the verdict is no.
Now you need to go have a lint ball, the milk chocolate lint ball.
Oh my God, people eat that?
Okay. We're just gonna put that back. Ooh, cocoa. That's all the ingredients is cocoa.
Just want to show you ingredients. I don't know if you can see. Cocoa, that's it.
That's it. Under the sea. Okay, well you tried it,
That is wild.
and that's it.
I'm never going to have it again.